To share your internet with a hotspot on the Motorola Moto G15, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then we can move to the network and internet, and right here go for hotspot and tethering, and now you can activate or deactivate your Wi-Fi hotspot. And if you click on the setting itself, then you'll be able to adjust the hotspot name. Security, you can turn on or off password with those options. And then there's the option to also change a password or check the one that is currently set. And the next thing is turn off hotspot automatically, which you can activate or deactivate. And finally, last one is speed and compatibility. We can change between 2.4G or a 5G network. And if you prefer higher speed, then you can go for 5G. But at the same time, it may not be compatible with other devices. Also, it will slightly reduce the range of your network, and when you go for 2.4G, it will have a slower speed of internet, but will be compatible with most of the other devices, and also will have a bit wider range. And that is basically everything.